Today I am playing Natural Disaster. I mean, I played a lot of games today because I was bored. I didn't have nothing to do. I did not know that happens to you. So that's what I gotta be careful. Oh wow. What is this? Do not mind me coughing. I'm just a little not feeling good. It's okay. Wait a minute. How did she get up there? My avatar looks so cute. I'm a princess. Down in the comments. So I don't think I'm going to play doors today. If you want me to, I might as well play doors. But it will be in my next video in my channel. It might be today or tomorrow, but I think I'll know. Oh my gosh, what kind of natural disaster is that? When it's wind. I don't know, I have no reason to sing. Help me. Wait, is there wind pushing you? There is? No way. Ah! Ah! Oh no. No. Oh my gosh, no, I'm gonna die. Help me. Oh my gosh. So this is all the point of not dying. You can't get on anything. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. Hurry up and end the game already. I'm gonna die. And I'm dead. No. Wait, is the thing done? No, it isn't. People with a balloon. A balloon, of course I should get a balloon. Oh, the balloon's up here. The balloon is up here. Got my face. It's 80 Robux? Bro. I'm smacking the head. Wait, what is this? Wow. Do not follow me. Do not follow me. Wait, how could I fit under that? Am I that small? Tsunami. No. High ground. Okay. Gosh, where's the high ground? Oh, this is the high ground. Where's the Tsunami? Oh my gosh. Tsunami. Where's the high ground? Where are we supposed to reach the height? Oh my gosh. That person is so lucky they have a balloon. Thank you so much. Wow, the person with the balloon just put me here. No, I got pushed down. Oh, that's the mess up. No. Everyone's getting pushed down. Oh Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. I'm gonna get myself squished. I don't want that. No. Please, please, what do we do? I thought if you press on the offset and all the textures, we can die, but not true. Not true. For some reason, I just... Why am I noisy? I look like a princess. Wait, ow! Is this the glass texture? Oh yay, I survived! My name is right there. Perfectly fine. After this, I maybe play Doors. Because I'm bored. People's dang word is always didn't axe. Look at my face. Someone made fun of my face today and I'd be sad. When I was playing a roller kart game, they said they hated Athmel. And this person keeps flipping, knowing me that I got super mad and I accidentally roasted them. Wait, so what do we do? Oh my gosh, this person barely has life. I barely have life too. I feel you, girl. If I fall down, what is this? Is this smoke? Oh my. Oh my goodness. We gotta run down, run down, run. Oh, yep, we definitely gotta run down. Run down, run down, run down, run down. We got the run, 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 run. And I died. I just forgot. I barely had a life. It's so sad. In the end, it doesn't even matter. My face is just like my butt. I feel like a frog is stuck in my throat. I got it out. Thank the Lord. For all the blessed people out there who has Jesus in their heart. Mr. Steal Your Girl. Someone's name is Mr. Steal Your Girl. The video my friend posted was Mr. Steal Your Girl. That was funny. Sometimes I barely get views. We barely get views, but these are 2 popular videos that we really appreciate. And you should start commenting because I really get bored. I just want to read your texts. I want to see what makes me feel happy inside. And that's what I want to hear from you. I want to see if I did a great job or something. I want to be up there. Well, the person who's up there might die because they're oxygen. They don't have a suit on. When is the natural disaster gonna happen? I barely got life. Anyway, it's like, what happened to his avatar? Wow. Okay, stay indoors. Acid rain. So there's barely nothing under my desk now. Wow. Am I dying? Oh my gosh, I am dying. No. Oh my gosh, oh, the roof. Let's stand here. Oh my god. This looks so scary. What happens if that falls? Well, I trust these two. Look at her face. Oh my gosh, no. I should not make fun of people's face right now. This Jonah. Okay, this is the most natural disaster I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh, a person is stuck. Oh, there he is. Do not even think of coming to me. I'm pretty, but I don't get the mess to it. Look at my hairstyle. I just bought it today. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was so close. They're barely even got credit. Sad. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Wait, it's Mario. Oh.